Grand Oasis Cancun. Located on a private beach, this all-inclusive entertainment resort offers a spa, tennis courts and an outdoor pool set in tropical gardens. Central Cancun is 9.3 miles away. Each room at the Grand Oasis Cancun has a view of the gardens or sea. All rooms offer air conditioning, a mini bar, safety deposit box and flat-screen cable TV. The Grand Oasis offers a range of dining options. There are 8 restaurants including Mexican and Mediterranean restaurants, an international buffet and sushi bar. The 9 bars include beach and pool bars, lounges and a nightclub. The hotel offers live shows, music festivals and ongoing performances. There are shops, discos and restaurants nearby, as well as a wide sandy beach. Multilingual staff can help you plan activities and excursions. They can also arrange transfers to Cancun Airport, a 20-minute drive away with extra cost. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.